In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the front bumper cover on this Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Below the vehicle, on the corner of the bumper cover, there will be two push clips we have to remove. Mine have Phillips head cutouts in the center, so I can unscrew the center and then pop the rest out. Now there's one towards the front, and there will be another one right here. Mine is actually broken, so there's nothing for me to undo, but for you, remove the push clip as well. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. On each corner of the bumper cover where it meets the fender, you'll see a little cutout in the fender liner. Take a 10mm socket and remove the bolt that holds these two together. Pull this away. Now do the same to the other side. At the top right next to the headlights, we have two things to remove: a 10mm headed bolt and a push clip. Do the same to the other side. Now grab onto the bumper cover, pull it out from the corners and off of this piece here. And off it comes. Bring the bumper cover back in. Careful of your headlights and the fender, of course, so you don't scratch anything. Line everything up. Make sure all of this fits on correctly. Reinstall the screw that holds the bumper cover on at the top. Snug it up and put this push clip back in. Do the same on the other side. On the corners, let's resecure the bumper cover with the 10mm headed screws. Tighten that up. Do the same to the other side. And underneath, let's reinstall the push clips that we removed. There are two, one towards the front and one right on the side here. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.